Better File Explorer for Windows 11. So we've talked about Files is a free app that you can install through the Microsoft Store. So just search up for the Microsoft Store and then simply click on that and open up the Microsoft Store. Once you've opened, now you will have the search bar, search for files. Once you've searched, here you will have your files application, so you can simply install the application. So click on the files app, which is on first, and here you can see that it has the 4.1 average rating. So this is a better file application than the default one. So you just need to click on install, or you need to buy the application, and once you've downloaded or installed, you'll be good to go, and you can use the application. So that's it. The better file explorer for Windows 11 than the default is this one. And you can also have the other applications, like if you go back and here you can see that My Files X3. If you open up that, here you will have 5 ratings or 5-star ratings. And if you have the maximum stars, then you can simply click on install, and once you've installed, you can use the file application. So you can simply use the first application, which is a lot better. And that's it. That's how you can have the better file explorer on Windows 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.